Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover your old account on Riot Games. So let's get started right away. If you have an account that you wish to recover on Riot Games, then open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in riotgames.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Riot Games website. You can sign in if you have another account by clicking on the sign in button at the top right corner and choosing my account. Or you can simply scroll all the way down from the homepage and then click on Player Support. From the Player Support menu, underneath Account Management, you will see the Recover Your Account option. Go ahead and click on it, and now you will see the Account Recovery tool. If you have forgotten your username or your password, then you can click on the Recover Username as well as the Recover Password option. Otherwise, scroll down and click on the Begin Account Recovery option. You will then be asked to enter the account details that you have. Just type in your username that you have set within your Riot Games account and also enter the Riot ID or the summoner name. Then answer the question based on whether you have played the League of Legends using this account. After choosing the appropriate response, enter your date of birth and click on the next button. Your account will then be checked and you will be asked to enter your original sign-up email. Just enter the email address that you used while signing up for your Riot Games account and then choose whether you have access to this email or not. You can also enter the other email addresses that you have added to this account within the other emails section. Then choose whether you have access to these emails as well. Finally, click on the next button and you will be asked to check your inbox within the original sign-up email or the other emails based on which one you chose yes in. So just check your inbox and you will find the reactivation link. Just click on this link and your account will be reactivated or recovered right away. And there you have it. That is how you can recover your old account on Riot Games. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.